Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for IHG. If you don't have an IHG account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page, then click on Join. Now, enter all the required information. After entering all the required information, click on the tick boxes to certify that you are 18 years of age or older, and that you have read and accept the privacy statement. Lastly, click on the Join Now button. That's how you sign up for IHG account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.